Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a tasty crispy snack, easy to make, and that is Methi chips. We call it Methi chips at home. It is a favorite in the family. For this, first we'll make a paste of here. I have about half a cup of fresh Pudina or mint leaves. I have 3 green chillies and a piece of ginger. We'll grind all this and make it into a paste. Here I have about 1.5 cups of cleaned and chopped fenugreek, that is methi leaves. Take it in a large bowl. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of sugar and some salt to taste. First mix this methi leaves with this salt and sugar. See, you will find that it releases some water when you mix it with salt and sugar. See, the methi leaves have become nice and soft. To this is cornflour. I am taking 1 cup. Half a cup of wheat flour. And this is 1/4 cup of plain flour, that is maida. Mix all the flours well together. To this I am adding the ground Pudina, green chilli and ginger paste. This is a pinch of Hing. We can add about a spoon of red chilli powder and also some turmeric powder. Now mix everything well together. Next we'll add some oil to this. You can add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Mix it all well together. Finally, add water little by little and make it into a dough like puri dough consistency. See, our dough is done and ready. Now you can take out a fairly large portion of the dough and on a flat surface you just roll it out into a large size puri. Now cut this puri into strips like this. And just cut them out into chips like this. Just remove them onto a plate. I kept some oil for heating. Then over a medium flame, gently drop these into the oil. Just put in as many as the oil will hold and fry them like this till they get a lovely golden brown color. After a few minutes, just turn them over so that all of them get well fried. So while one batch is frying, You can keep the next one ready. See, when it stops bubbling, that time drain it out from the oil. Likewise, we can make with the remaining batches also. See, if you want to have some idea of the thickness, this is how it is. So all our methi chips are done and ready. Awesome flavor of this fresh methi leaves, of course along with some pudina too. And they taste very good, slightly sweet with the sugar and also with the chilli powder and ginger. A lovely crispy snack. Allow it to cool down well to room temperature, then you can store it in an airtight box and use it for about a week also. Whenever I make this, I am reminded of my younger days when we were at Indore and the children were still in school. And Sundays, uncle used to go to the vegetable market and come back with large bags filled with fresh methi, that is fenugreek leaves, dhania, that is coriander leaves, and lot of green peas. And those were the days when children were not glued to their mobile phones. We all used to sit in a circle with this methi and green peas in front of us and sit and clean it and keep it ready all together, and then we would make this and enjoy it for the next week to 10 days. Every little recipe has some nostalgia attached to it. So just remember, heat the oil well, reduce the flame and stir it in between so that it doesn't get burnt also, and it should be well cooked and crisp. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.